Does your laundry room feel like a sauna every time you do laundry? Well, there's a couple of reasons why this may be happening, and in this short video, I'm going to tell you what the problem may be and how to fix it. Number one is if you have a damaged or poor quality transition vent. Transition vent is the vent that connects your dryer to the wall. Usually it looks like this. Most of the time when you order a dryer or you get it delivered, they will give you a plastic foil transition vent connected with a spring clamp. So a couple of things could happen. Those vents are really bad quality. They are a fire hazard and they could rip really easily, or holes could get burnt into them if your vent is clogged and your dryer is overheating. Or with the flimsy spring clamp, they could simply get blown off from the airflow of your dryer. So an easy way to test to see if this is happening is turn on your dryer and kind of put your hand behind where the dryer is and see if there's any air blowing out. You'll also be able to hear it. Another sign is if you see dust everywhere, because it's going to be blowing lint into your home. So how to fix this is you can, if you don't want to spend any money, you could trim off the ripped piece and then connect it back on and use a clamp that has a screw and not the spring clamp, or you could put the spring clamp on and then tape it so that it is on there good. Another way, if you can't really tell, is to go outside. If your dryer vent is on the side of your house, turn on the dryer and see if there's any air coming out. If your dryer is going and your clothes are drying, but there's no air coming out of that vent, then that means you have a disconnection somewhere. I would definitely recommend using Dryer Flex because it is actually made out of metal, and I'll leave a link down below so you can get it at the most affordable price. Another thing that could go wrong is it could be disconnected in the wall. I've seen this before. The vent falls apart in the wall and all the heat is blowing into the wall, heating up your house. So you could do the same test. So if you do the same test and there's no air coming out of the side of the house and you pull out the dryer and it's connected good, it could be disconnected either in the wall or in the attic. I see it all the time. People have someone work on their AC or do electrical work up there and it gets smushed, or it was installed with duct tape and it just simply falls apart. So make sure that your vent is actually venting outside. The next thing is if your dryer vent is completely clogged. So if it's clogged either on the roof, on the side of your house, or through the vent, or anywhere inside the dryer, then this is going to cause your dryer to overheat and you could basically cook an egg on the top of the dryer. So if your dryer is on and you put your hand on top of it and it could like burn your hand, then that means that your dryer vent is clogged somewhere and it's overheating, and this is a very dangerous fire hazard. This is a very dangerous fire hazard and it could damage your dryer. So definitely have your dryer vent cleaned by a professional, or you can watch this video and learn how to clean it yourself.